Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video we will talking about how to download and install Minecraft in our PC and laptop. So guys, firstly we open our browser. I have Opera browser, so I open that. Search C launcher, open in new window tab. This is C launcher. Download it from this. You can download. I can also download. This is the C launcher file. Open. Yes. Continue. I accept. Continue. Continue. It's continue. After continue, this will install. So after installing that, the key launcher icon will create on our desktop. Open that. Key launcher is launching. This is the free full version of Minecraft. But before you can install, it has some requirements. You have 1 GB graphic card or 412 GB RAM or SSD for better performance. This this is the interface I will download. Latest version release 1.2 1.5. I will download that, or after you can create your account. If you cannot create before your account, then configure your account, then create new account. After that, enter the game. It will take some time. After that, Minecraft is open. It is an original Minecraft. Minecraft is loading. Guys, after that Minecraft is installed and we can play in our PC. This is our world. We can launch. Allah Hafiz.